Hello everyone, it's Hanny. I want to show you a journal I made, and I'm going to make a few more this way, and I'm going to sell them in my Etsy store, but I only have one now because I don't have that much time nowadays. This is a journal, and it's I have to measure. It's 5 by 8.5, 8.25 inch. 5 by 8.25 inch. Sorry, it has a hardcover with metal copper book corners, and the binding is this way. They are with rope, twine, what is it? And you can get the signatures out if you want to. Well, I get this one, and you can get them out, the whole signature, if you want to. You can put pages in, and you can put pages out if you want. And you can get them out and put them in again, whatever you want. It has 60, approximately 60 pages, I think. Yes. And well, there's lots of space for journaling, but I will show you the journal with a quick flip through. Oh yeah, the binding is with well, this stuff. I don't know what it is. Some say it's sari silk, some say it's whatever. I'm not sure what it is, but it's a sort of silk. 4 signatures, yes, with I think 14 pages, I think 7, 8, something like that. This is the first page. This is with a duck spot, you call that, and journaling cards, tickets, and a pocket with a journaling card and a tag. You can write on. You can write your name or something on there. It's all kinds of paper in it. Book pages, music pages, doilies. Here's a pocket with a little tag. Book pages, and here is a paper clip, altered paper clip with a flip out something with pockets and cards and how do we call that, little illustration of flowers. Another flip out with the little things in it. Pockets, and you can flip that on the page with a paper clip, like so. More pages with labels on it, journaling space. These are handmade papers, little pieces of handmade paper with a journaling card and a paper clip. Dictionary pages with a duck spot and a card, journaling card. More pages, book pages, a pocket with journaling cards, tickets, and a little envelope. This is a little envelope. You can put something in there, and just stuck it on a pocket like this. More journaling space. Piece of vellum or tracing paper, I'm not sure what it is. A doily, a belly band with a card. This is a snippet thing. I use some digitals of my own. Here is an envelope with a it's not, yeah, you can, no, it's not a pocket, this one. You can put a tag in here. Here another handmade paper, tea-dyed papers, another pocket tuck spot with a card, a doily. Here is a little, it's not an envelope, but you can flip it out, you can put something on there. And that's tucked with a paper clip, a piece of tracing paper, vellum. A little pocket with a coin envelope, you can put something in there. A journaling card. One of my digitals. Book page. Here a little cluster. Another book page, stamps in it, another cluster. Here another envelope with little cards in it, with a piece of, no, it's not a pocket, but this is a piece of snippets, book pages. Another piece of handmade paper. Like I said, lots of journaling space, more book pages, a little envelope with a few tickets. And this is a pocket too. And here is a piece of, yeah, not sure what it is, but you use it to, well, what is it? Well, I don't know the name, but you use it with for tiles and something like that when you're building a house. Well, it's nice stuff. Another belly band with a journaling card. Journaling space, and another pocket with a few journaling cards and tags. Another piece of handmade paper, tuck spot with cards and tags. More journaling space, and that's it. So, I put it in my Etsy shop for sale, for sailing sale, and well, I hope you like it, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.